Hey, 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 hey! Welcome back to another episode of Let's Get Dirty with the Dirt Man. And we're doing a great wing recipe, and you know the Dirt Man loves wings. It's one of my favorite things to eat, and we're gonna be on the grill today, and we are doing dirty bang, 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 bang wings. That's my boy, that goes out to John Witherspoon, one of my favorite comedians, great actor, did movies like Boomerang and House Party and Fridays, and I absolutely loved it, and just had to do it because we're doing bang, 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 bang wings, and let's get started. You can do this in the oven, 400 degrees for 30 minutes, but we're gonna do it on the grill. I think it's gonna taste a whole lot better. So let's start with the marinade. We're gonna start off with 2 cups of olive oil. And we're gonna use a 1/3 cup of kosher salt. Third of a cup of this yummy, yummy chili garlic sauce. This stuff is awesome. That's good. All right, and then we're gonna do a 1/2 cup of honey. Nice and sweet. And then we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of the Bayou.
I could have been a little more than 2 tablespoons, Dad.
You know. Sorry. 1 tablespoon of low down dirt. And then we're gonna do a 1/3 of a cup of the Siracha. Because I love Siracha. You can use any hot sauce if you want, but that'll work well. And then I like it a little more spicier than normal, so this is going to be 2 tablespoons of red pepper. And then, so this is some fresh ginger here. So we're gonna do about 2 tablespoons of that. It's a total of a 1/4 cup of ginger, I believe. And then we're gonna take some pepper. And mix this really, really well. So everything is mixed in, combined well. Now we're gonna put this marinade in the bag. This is 3 pounds of chicken, of different wings. Mix it all up really well. Put it all in the bag. I prefer the bag than in a big bowl. I just think it works better. You can get more coverage. Close it up really well. You can start dancing, start moving, grooving. All right, get all the wings nice and covered. What I like to do is lay it nice and flat inside. You can do 30 minutes to an hour. I'm gonna do it 1 full hour. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna lay it flat in the refrigerator, and then another 1/2 an hour, we're gonna lay it flat the other way. That way it's completely covered, and we're gonna put this in the refrigerator, and then we'll be back. Okay, so I put the chicken out. Now I'm just gonna put a little bit of Bayou DIRT right on top, just to add some added flavor to it. All right, let's go put this on the grill. All right, we're back outside now. We're on the big green egg. I've set the grill up for indirect cooking. We're gonna cook it around 350 degrees. We're gonna put the chicken right on there. And once we put this on, we're gonna check this, flip it around every 10 minutes until it's done. All right, for another 10 minutes. And we're gonna flip these. These are almost done. Now the bang bang sauce. Letting that caramelize. Make sure you mix up the sauce really well. We put it on. All right, so 10 more minutes. These should be done. Okay, these things are finally done, and I am dying to try these. I know how good they are. They are absolutely amazing. They're so tasty. I put a little bit more bang bang sauce on top. I threw some sesame seeds and a little green onion just to make it look pretty, and let's try it. The first was flavor, the heat. It's tangy, it's sweet. It's got so many different flavors going on here. Man, there's a lot going on with this wing. If you like a wing with a lot of flavor, just and tangy and sweet and heat, if that's your style. Oh, here, Angel. Hey, I forgot to tell you, remember to subscribe. Tell all your friends and family about getting dirty with the Dirt Man. And remember, it's always a good time to get dirty.